Hi friends, firstly please subscribe our channel for new videos and shorthand dictations on daily basis. Ready, start. The Excise and Taxation Department, where the registration oblique change of ownership in the documents of the motor vehicles is effected, full stop, in spite of the payment of all the installments to the appellant bank. The registration book was not cleared and the Excise and Taxation Department was not being directed by the bank to incorporate the ownership rights of the vehicle in question in favor of the respondent number 2, full stop. Consequently, he served a legal notice claiming a damages of rupees 15 lakhs along with the counsel for fee of rupees 15,000 against the appellant bank, full stop, on the failure of the bank to honor the demand raised by the respondent number 2 through the legal notice. A complaint was lodged by the respondent number 2 before the District Consumer Court Sialkot Narowal, full stop. This complaint was contested by the appellant bank, full stop. It was contended by the appellant bank that the complaint lodged is unjustified and was further contended that although the appellant bank had granted the loan facility to the respondent number 2 for purchase of the vehicle in question, but a clearing certificate was issued after the payment of the loan by the respondent number 2 and that the registration book of the vehicle was in the name of one Sayyid Ijaz Hussain Naqvi, who had transferred the vehicle in the name of the bank, but the appellant had no connection with or objection upon the further registration of the vehicle in question in favor of the respondent number 2 after the clearance of loan, full stop. The learned presiding officer, District Consumer Court, Sialkot, recorded the evidence of the parties and ultimately dismissed the complaint of the respondent number 2 towards the amount of damages of rupees 15 lakhs. However, in the interest of justice, an amount of rupees 25,000 was granted to the respondent number 2 for the sufferings he had undergone due to the dilatory notices of the appellant bank in effecting the transfer of the vehicle in the name of the complainant in the Excise and Taxation Department, Sialkot, para 13 of the judgment dated 22 December 2012, passed by the learned district and session judge presiding officer, District Consumer Court, Sialkot, is relevant and is produced, full stop. The upshot of the above said is that in the light of the above said evidence as well as the statement of the writ petition number 1 that complainant has paid all installments of vehicle, vehicle is still in the name of the bank, bank has no objection upon the transferring of the vehicle in the name of the complainant, full stop. The respondent bank is directed to transfer the vehicle in the name of the complainant from the ETO office, Sialkot, and thereafter hand over the registration book and original file of the vehicle to the complainant within 13 days of the passing of his judgment. Otherwise, it shall be proceeded under section 32 of the Punjab Protection Act 2005, full stop. The appellant bank applied for obtaining the certificate copy of the judgment on 22 December 2012 on 8 January 2013 by weightage of 16 days time, full stop. The certificate copy was made available to the appellant bank on 26 January 2013 and having only 14 days period of limitation available to the appellant bank. The instant appeal was instituted before the court on 13 February 2013. Full stop.